Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Remember, I was saying I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with those little cassette charms. I figured out what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the dangle earrings, well, more of the dangle earrings, and then have the little cassette player. Oops, have the little cassette player just hanging from it. And I got so many of them that I had to figure out something to do with them. So what I'm going to do is make more of these, and then I'll put these on the fair website and just sell them in bulk. I like the way these came out. This pair, that's probably why it's falling off. This pair right here does not have as much wire. You can see right here. And it makes it look just kind of simple. Almost like it's not finished to me. But then when you look at these that have more wire, they tend to look a little bit more finished. They look richer. They just look more quality than, when I use less wire. That's one of the reasons why I like to use a lot of wire. Well, not a lot of wire, but enough wire. When you can look at that and tell the difference. This one just looks simpler. It looks cleaner compared to the other ones. And if I had my choice of which ones to wear, it wouldn't be these. It would probably be one of these. I love the way they came out, though. So I was like, okay, you know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. I have another video showing how I make these little wrapped bead earrings. And I'll put that video, I'll put it up in here somewhere where you can click on it and see how I just make this part. These little earrings right here. And then you can add your own charms. You could add more wire if you want to. You could even change here the ear wire. You could make it a post. Whatever you want to do to it. But I thought these came out, well, I think they came out really nice. And I like these beads. I got these beads off of one of the monster platforms. And when I did get them, I was like, oh my God, the quality is like really nice. The quality is really, really nice for the wood beads. I bought wood beads that weren't as pretty as these are, but these are really, really pretty wood beads, 9mm. Okay, just wanted to show you that. I figured out what I was going to do with these cassettes. And I think they came out really nice. All right, talk soon.